You know, since we were born, our bodies have had a wonderful ability to regenerate themselves, to maintain youthfulness. In this world, there are people who have skillfully used this ability. They are full of unimaginable youthful health, even though they are 40, 50, or even 60 years old. And the best part is that they do not use cosmetic surgery. They radiate youthfulness and energy, enchanting. Guess what they did? The method they use does not require money. It is not a superstitious concept or unfounded theory. It is based on solid scientific research. It is recognized as the most modern method to maintain health and youth. This method only requires you to be patient, open your mind to acquire new knowledge, and make reasonable adjustments in applying this method to your body. Are you ready to receive the key that can change your body to help you stay young for the next 10 years? If you are ready, let's explore with me the summary of the technique that makes the body become younger by the author Otachi Geo, a medical professor in Japan in 1979. After graduating from Tokyo University, he became a researcher at Basel University in Switzerland. The author spent 30 years researching body cells and discovered a method to preserve human youth. He is currently a leading expert in Japan in the field of cell research and is the president of 3 medical organizations in Japan. The technique that makes the body become younger has created a big wave in the Japanese community and has been proven by the health changes from the bodies of those who have successfully applied this method. It will certainly be the key to help you open the door to a youthful body and appearance in the next 10 years. The secret to easily rejuvenating yourself in 10 years is simply to increase that thing in your body. And that thing is the mitochondria, a tiny organ present in every cell of our body. Living consciously about the existence and functioning of mitochondria will help us stay young and prevent various diseases. You may be skeptical that mitochondria can help rejuvenate the body and prevent many diseases. Why have I never heard of this? However, research on mitochondria is becoming the focus of the scientific community worldwide, and the importance of mitochondria can be brought out in many series of books and latest text discussions. Your work has knowledge about mitochondria. You may know how to keep mitochondria healthy while increasing their number in the body. This is the key to creating opportunities for you, maintaining youthfulness as your age increases. We will demonstrate the change from breathing mechanics. We quickly accelerate after climbing stairs. Our bodies become tired easily after an activity. We become difficult to maintain activity for a long time. So what will you do when you clearly feel that your body is gradually declining? If you try to rest continuously, on the contrary, your body will lose energy. When lying or sitting too much, the body feels that it no longer needs energy, causing our ability to produce and metabolize energy to gradually weaken. Our body has a special structure. If not used, it will deteriorate. Just like muscles will atrophy. If not exercised, your body needs energy to walk, to run, to think, to work, to love. Once the energy decreases, we will easily get tired. The body lacks energy. We will age very quick. 3 habits that help your body transform. Those 3 habits are taking advantage of the power of cold. When the body experiences cold, the number of mitochondria increases and energy is stimulated to be produced. You can exercise in a cold environment or take a cold shower. If it is difficult, try taking a cold shower for the last 30 seconds of your daily shower. The exercise method combines tuna with an empty stomach. Tuna here represents red muscles, which contain many mitochondria. Do exercises such as cycling or jogging at an intensity of about 60% of your maximum heart rate. Exercising on an empty stomach helps increase the efficiency of mitochondria. Change your posture every day. Keep your back straight when standing or sitting. When walking, Look forward instead of down. Changing your posture helps increase the number of mitochondria and improve your body's energy. By incorporating at least one of these 3 habits into your life, you can rejuvenate your body from the inside out.